Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, guys. And if you need to find where the fuse for the right HID headlight is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Now, if your headlight does not work and you check the fuse and you replace it, it's still not working, we'll cover what else can cause that. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, how to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a Dodge Charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So specifically, guys, we have a Dodge Charger with a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, it will work as well. What do we have here, guys? That's a fuse box. We have two tabs, one here, one there. You need to squish those, pull out, flip to the side. And now this is, guys, your fuse box. The fuse that you need to check for the right headlight, HID headlight, will be that fuse right here. This is actually the wrong type of fuse somebody installed. It shouldn't be that fuse. It should be a fuse like these ones here and like those. But this is the wrong type. So I recommend to use only the correct type of fuses, and if you need to buy ones with fuses for a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Something else. It's very important to test the fuses. Sometimes you cannot tell if it's a good or bad fuse, and you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money to fix that, and you shouldn't do, guys, that. Test the fuse and find out if it's good or bad. I will put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays, and you will be able to test yours in just a few seconds and find out if they're working. If you replace the fuse, headlight is still not working, we have a special video that explains why headlight does not work on Dodge Charger. It will teach you very helpful information and what you need to do in that case. Check it out, it will be on the channel for any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.